get some firewood. That's it, good girl.
Breakfast, you lot.
I haven't.
I'm doing yours. Oh, there's little monkeys.
Smell mine.
Yes.
They haven't been fed for at least 15 minutes. Hi everyone. Wow, what a beautiful day it's turned out. Okay, well it's going to continue into the cottage today, but before I do that I think I'm going to take advantage of this lovely sunshine and go and plant my almond tree. Yep, when the sun's out you've just got to take advantage. I mean, don't get me wrong, lots of stuff to do in the cottage, but yeah, sun's out, so I'm going to grab myself 10-15 minutes out here, charge my batteries up. Right, so what we've got to do is dig out this old rootstock from the one that died. I don't think it's going to put up much of an effort. Get that dug out, and that tells me exactly where the new one's got to go. Never planted an almond before, so interested to know if anyone else in the European sort of climate has grown one. They should grow, otherwise they wouldn't sell them here. There we go. Conditions are not ideal here really because it's quite heavy, the soil, and I think the almonds prefer a light loamy soil, so be interesting to see what it does. Nothing like cutting the grass. Feels like spring's on its way. How this machine is still going, well, that's beyond me, but it is, so yeah, touch wood. You'll see me throughout this season. Hello, what are you doing?
Just cleaning out the greenhouse ready for this year.
Great. Yeah, there's lots of old tomato vines in here, isn't there?
Yeah, a little light chilli there. Some soil there, I don't know if you can do anything right.
Yeah,
oh yeah,
dust. Don't go in there. Put that down there. It's such a lovely day out here. I think I'm going to spend the rest of the video outside if you don't mind. Sam and Tom have come out to help, so it's too nice to go inside the cottage today. This is the nicest day of the year so far, isn't it, with the sunshine? So
it is, and you need a bit of fresh air.
Yeah, need a bit of fresh air. Been cooped up in there for quite some time. Not complaining because I enjoy it in there, but I equally enjoy being outside. So yeah, we're going to clean the greenhouse out. We're going to get a few beds ready for planting. Just generally start tidying up the outside. Now, as far as all the weeds and all the overgrown grass and, you know, things you see around the property, we leave it like that for a reason. We could have cut it down a lot earlier, but it does help the wildlife, so we give them a bit of a head start. And then, you know, once they start feeding and things like that, we start clearing different areas. So yeah, we're mindful of the wildlife, that's why we do it. We're not lazy. So while Sam and Tom are clearing out the greenhouse, I'm going to go around and do a bit of pruning, and we'll check back with them in a little while. Now, believe it or not, through there last year was a pathway. Time to cut through that, I think. Just from 1 year, that bamboo. Well, they've done a fabulous job. All it needs now is hosing out, quick clean down, and then later on we'll get some soil, we'll top these beds up. We shan't be growing tomatoes this year in there though. It cuts down on disease and blight. Another bed ready to be planted up, and another one here. They've done a great job. So what we got here, Tom?
I've just got some carrot seeds, a variety that we grew last year. I think one of your viewers actually sent them to us. It's in German. I don't speak any German, but I can understand the numbers in February and January and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to make some lines, some like rolls, and then sprinkle the seeds in, and then cover with about a centimetre or two of soil. So it's important to make sure the soil is nice and level. Carrots do like soil with good drainage, so quite a sandy soil, and they do like quite a lot of water as well. At this time of year, we shouldn't really need to water them too much. So yeah, what I like to do is probably get 3 or 4 rolls in. I'll probably say 3. Rather have big healthy carrots than little wimpy ones. Quite tricky actually to get them evenly distributed without them being too clustered. We probably want to prune them thin them out once they turn into seedlings. Some people say that this is best avoided because it attracts carrot fly when you disturb the root. But I believe carrot fly are only a problem with carrots that are planted in the ground. So because these are 30 centimetres or more off the ground, and this is probably about 40 centimetres, I'm not too worried. In general, they say for every seed you plant, for every 3 seeds, sorry, only 1 comes up as a general rule, because of pests and because sometimes the seeds aren't active. There we go.
All the carrot seeds are in now. Just need a light water and away they go. Ready for the coming season. We've achieved a lot today. Sam and Tom have done a marvellous job in the greenhouse. Planted some carrots. I've cut the pathway down into the dell. Planted a tree. But as normal, this time of year, there's always something else to do. It was just so nice to get out today. The sun out, working in the garden with the family. What could be better? Okay, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of a different video this time, but we'll soon be back in the cottage and I'll see you then. Bye for now.